We are from TechieYan Technologies. This project is a dynamo based power generation for our regular day-to-day life home appliances. So this dynamo is a 12 volts dynamo which is converting voltage to 230 volts AC using a battery, and we are using an inverter which is 150 VAR. Now let us see how this works. First, let us rotate the bicycle. Okay, when we rotate the bicycle, automatically as it is being connected through pulley, the dynamo is being rotated. When the dynamo rotates, now you can see the dynamo is generating energy, and we are using a buck converter. This buck converter is responsible for converting voltage to a reasonable voltage to charge my battery. So this battery which you can see here is 7.2 Ah, which is 12 volts battery. Now when I connect this battery, I am converting 12 volts DC to 230 volts AC using this inverter. So this inverter is going to glow my LED. Now I am using a electronic circuit here. This electronic circuit works as a battery management system, where when I am actually rotating the bicycle, when I get start with the dynamo, I am actually checking out the voltage of battery continuously, and if the voltage of battery drops to certain level, okay, then automatically it is going to trigger my relay such that I am going to turn off my LED. So let's see how this entire system works. Operation is basically nothing but when I am rotating the dynamo, so I am basically turning on my buck converter. This buck converter is responsible to charge my battery. So if I want to charge the battery, I just have to turn this switch on. So battery will get into charging mode. Then if I want to check continuously what is happening to my battery, I have a computer, I have a electronic circuit network here, and I am taking a reading into my laptop. So I did not turn on the battery. That's the reason now you can see that it is showing 0. When I turn on the battery, as you can see, when I connect the battery here, the circuit will show the voltage level. Now if you can see here, the voltage showing something around 13.2. okay, the voltage level is 13.2. if it gets to less than 7 volts, then automatically I am turning off my relay, and such that I am turning off my load. Now let's understand that when I turn on my inverter, then automatically I am turning on my 230 volts load here. So this LED is being turned on only till this battery voltage is greater than 7 volts. So that is how we have programmed it into the electronic circuit board. And this is a very useful inverter where we will be getting free energy while we are running bicycle. Automatically our dynamo charging, and we are getting a 230 output load. And this can be used to charge your mobile phone. This can be used to run LED TV as well. We can also use this to work on computers. We can charge laptops. Okay, all these applications, the regular day-to-day applications, can be done with this particular circuit. Thank you.